Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So today I will be revealing the exact sales funnel that I use in my System.io to collect my emails and to sell some detailed products. This is the exact same funnel that I use, so this is going to be very beneficial to you just to see how things go in the background. And you will have a chance at the end of this video to receive this funnel, to be able to use the same exact funnel in your business as well. And I will give you instructions, and now you can get the funnel at the end of this video, so stay with me here. But one thing I always talk about on this channel are the importance of detailed products. These products are probably the best business idea that anyone can start online. Of course, it's great that you can do e-commerce, dropshipping, and all of these other business models, but detailed product has proven to be the number one way through which many people has been able to gain their financial freedom. And I want to share all of my knowledge and experience with you in this video. There are three components really to be able to sell your detailed product. One is your traffic source. The second one is your product itself. And the third one is your tools and the processes through which you sell this product. So let's deal with number one. How do I drive traffic? My number one method of driving traffic is, of course, through my YouTube channel. As you can see on the screen right here, I have just over 2,000 subscribers. I've been making videos for well over 3 years, both on my first channel and subsequently on this channel, which I started much later on. And we just crossed 2,000 subscribers. And speaking of that, if you haven't subscribed, this is the best time to do so. I really appreciate it. And this is my primary way of driving traffic to my landing pages and ultimately to the products that I sell on the background. Now, the next component is the product itself. Now, what are some of the things that I offer? The primary one is one-on-one consultations. I do done for you funnels, but not very much in the last couple of weeks. And the next one is my exclusive membership, which is the Digital Mastery. Now, there are several ways through which I can promote this offer, and the best way that I always recommend that you do that is through your email list. Now, the first thing you want to do is to just ensure that you have a type of lead magnet. I made a video which I'll put right here talking about the 8 types of lead magnet ideas that you can implement into your online businesses, and one of them is my iConversion landing page checklist, 10 digital product ideas, which I'll link both in the description. If you want to check out any one of those, you can go ahead and do that. These are my 2 primary lead magnets that I use in driving traffic. And now when people opt into those forms, they go to this page right here. So this is the landing page checklist lead magnet. This is where you come to. As you can see, 10 expert checklists for designing iConversion landing pages. You click on that, you put in your email, and you'll be able to receive these checklists into your inbox directly. Now, the next one is 10 digital product ideas, which is sort of like a newer lead magnet that I just created, and it looks just like this. And it's basically just a compilation of 10 digital product ideas that you can start selling. It's a 30-page ebook that is well written, comprehensively written by me, and you'll be able to find all types of digital product ideas to kickstart your online business. Now, when you do that, you will be enrolled into my email sequence where you'll be receiving emails from me, sharing tips, strategies, and just talking about ways through which you can start your online business and some other personal stories that you can relate to as well. Now, when you start receiving those emails, inside that email, I am promoting my membership community, which is the Digital Mastery. Now, what does that membership community, what does the landing page for that membership community look like? I will show you exactly right here. Now, this is it. This is what the membership community landing page looks like. And it's a well-designed page where I highlight some of the things that you will gain once you join the membership community. As you can see right here, you will go from opting into my lead magnet, which is the data product ideas. Then it takes you to the next step, which is this page right here. So once you download the ebook, you will be taken right here and saying you're all set. Check your email for your free ebook. But before you go, I need to ask you, are you struggling to get your digital product business off the ground? If so, join the community, and you will be able to join the community once you click this button right here. It takes you to the next page where you will see all the membership benefits, weekly live calls, funnel talk support, ads training, organic content strategy, email list building, one-on-one Q&A, exclusive members area. And when you come right here, you'll be able to enter your name, your email address, your phone number, and enter your credit card details as well. And Digital Mastery community only goes for about $49 a month. Now, when you opt in, you see all the membership benefits. You go to the other page, you put in your credit card. It takes you to the last page right here that says you are in. Congratulations, go to your members area right now. So this is the exact 4-step funnel that I use to promote my online membership. Now, there are various ways to which you can do this. You can either direct people straight to the lead magnet and that's all, then you'll be able to promote your membership on the back end. But I talk about upsells a lot. Upsell is a way to increase your average order value. Say for example, you're running paid ads, you're paying a cost for a cost per lead acquisition upfront. You want to recoup that fund somehow, which is why upsells are important. And I made a video right here where I talk about the importance of upsells and how you can set them up in your business. And I've also gotten a lot of messages from people saying, how can you give something free upfront and sell something on the back end? And this is exactly how I'm able to do it. Now let's look at it again. You come here, you download my lead magnet, which is the 10 product ideas to kickstart your online business. Then you go to the next step right here, which is the sales page for the membership community, highlighting the benefits and what you stand to gain once you enter it. Then you go to the order page, which is where you put in your credit card information and it takes you to the thank you page where people can now see that they are enrolled and they will automatically get an email saying that they can now join the members area and enjoy all of the benefits of being a member of the Digital Mastery. Now, this is the entire funnel that I use in promoting my online membership community, and I talked about you being able to get access to the same funnel, and you'll be able to do that once you become a member of the Digital Mastery itself. Now, as a subscriber or a frequent visitor of this channel, you'll be able to get a 30% discount code, which I'll leave in a link down below. You will not be able to find it elsewhere. I'll leave the 30% off discount code in the description down below, and you'll be able to apply that to take 30% off the $49 membership, and that is my gift to you. And as a thank you, you will be able to get this funnel right here, as well as your iConvert and landing page checklist, as well as the 10 digital product ideas all into your inbox. So if you want to get access to it, check out the links down in the description. And this is everything that I use to run my online membership and everything that I have running in the background. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you a lot. We've crossed 2,000 subscribers, which is a big deal to me. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Again, my name is Daniel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.